Hey travelers, how's it going? My name is Ted, this is my girlfriend Fawn, and it is a gorgeous Saturday afternoon in early September. Today we are heading out to a park called Grimes Glen. Grimes Glen is located in the Village of Naples on the southern end of Canandaigua Lake in the Fingerlakes region of upstate New York. For those of you who have not been, the Fingerlakes is a picturesque region of upstate New York, home to a lot of wineries, waterfalls, and gorges. Now, neither Fawn nor I have been to this park before, Grimes Glen, although we have been to some of the other parks in the Fingerlakes region, like Buttermilk Falls. Fawn, what did you think of Buttermilk Falls?
I loved it. It's beautiful.
But like I said, we have not been here to Grimes Glen before, so we're looking forward to it. Fawn, what are your thoughts on it, not having been there and not really knowing all that much about it?
I'm really excited to see a new place. I get lost in the woods.
Yeah, we might get, I mean, hopefully not, but we might. What I do know about this park is that there's supposed to be like some waterfalls, and there is like a little area that you can get down to the water and possibly wade into it. Other than that, I don't think either of us know really much of what to expect about it. So looking forward to trying something new. Let's go. Glen. And we have a car pulling out just now. We got a spot. Looks like we're here. Okay. Notice, swimming, wading, and bathing are not permitted within water pools or at the base of waterfalls pursuant to local law number 7. Across the bridge.
Smells like fall.
Smells like fall?
Yeah, really.
Yeah, it kind of does.
So how long does this hike?
I don't know. I was just wondering the same thing. We'll find out. Oh. Yes. Ah. Nice.
Slippery though.
Yeah.
What? Walk in? Like, how can you do it?
I don't know if you want to take your socks off. I might just start wading in it. Just keep an eye on what the rocks are stepping on the bottom. You okay?
I felt. Oh.
It's kind of nice though when you get used to it.
It's like going in the pool.
That is why we're wearing Crocs. Let's cross over to this side. Oh, this is cool. right, guys. Well, I think that's going to be it for today. Fun. What do you think of this one?
I liked it. A lot more water than hiking, though.
Yeah, I agree. It was a nice little wade through this creek, brook, whatever this is here. Some slippery rocks to be aware of, but the payoff was a couple nice waterfalls. So yeah, overall, I like this one. As always, thanks for coming along with us, and catch you later. Peace!
Yeah.
Here's the bus bridge. It does kind of look like a bus.
See?
Mm-hmm.